Hey, welcome to my page and to my shop. Just wanted to say hi because I'm taking a break from routing this beast behind me. And Happy New Year. As soon as this project's done, I have a whole bunch of other things that are not commissioned that are purely for the benefit of making beautiful. Which means it's gonna be some cool stuff. So I hope you stick around. And yeah, stick around. I like the input. Maybe I'll turn the disco ball on and bust a move if you're lucky. Have a good night and Happy New Year, everyone. Bye.